lane numbers 1 and 4, bib numbers 52 and 54. Give a big
Hadin bun teli ki round ke balapan long haki saus ngelenter haki jeng Iohpdiang ka hetam hari India ka balatip kum ka Megha Kayak Festival 2022 la penkut penwaino haka pho ka phing bat ka jing sam Khusnam hadin balala ban sakhi ki Nongkienglieng jong ki Nongkienglieng benta ki balawan na keleng ki ri jong ka perthai kentup de ki Nongkienglieng ki banapo ka jela Meghalaya Kumban syupen kan mahang ne kendian baya ketika Tamasa Kingling lapan long daga Riboy Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society Limited bat dia kenika Tamasa lapan long hasunang Tham Riboy District Hagas ngipun kot lawan ban sakhi ya kenika Tamasa daud Dr. Vijay Kumar Upadi Commissioner and Secretary Kejela lembat Kiwei kiri pokman Napdeng jong Kiwei ki Nongkienglieng benta ki balayo ya ke Khusnam ki bakentup nari Austria ngari Italy New Zealand France United Kingdom Norway, Belgium, Mexico, Nepal, bat Kiwei ki Nong India ru ki layo bandra ya ke Khusnam kentup de ya ki Nongkienglieng Khasi ki beri ki Nong Meghalaya.
Jonas Plattner from Germany is in the lead. Giovanni Gennaro, second place. Giovanni Di Gennaro in the lead, 52.
Quarterfinal 3, bet number 24, 31, 27 and 40. Please report to the ramp.
Giovanni Di Gennaro takes first.
And yeah, it's just the river made it even more interesting. There was a lot of waves, a lot of music. You have to be really precise and really good, otherwise you would be flushed out of the line. And yeah, it's super fun. It was a great day. I'm glad I took something to bring home to my family, and yeah, it was a great experience. How was the final? It was the round that we were much closer, so nobody could just really go out after the first sprint, so we were really close. We fight on every upstream, and then other two guys in front of me had missed the line, so I managed to recover and to got them in the last up. And yeah, so I'm super happy about the fight. We all had fun, and yeah, I'm super happy about the day. It's one of the best experiences of my life, not just the race, but all the area is beautiful. I'm having so much fun, and Indian people were so nice to me, and especially from here in Meghalaya. I hope I will get the chance to be back and to run another event like this. I'm absolutely fell in love with India, so I'm sure I will be back one day.